Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So the market on a cool down after we had speculation on Russia and Ukraine possible peacemaking deals yesterday, having a little bit of a cool down today, as Zelensky mentioned in the morning that Russia has been adding troops to Ukraine, showing us that we did need to cool down from that overextension that we had yesterday. So the question from here is going to be, are we going to bounce back from here, or are we going to continue to cool down? And what exact levels are we trying to hold to have a continuation on up? Now, before I jump into this, again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, I know the market has been very choppy. It's nice to have some breakouts that are happening throughout the day, in my opinion. We had a major breakout today with TRCH from $3.50 on volume, jumping up to $5.50 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. Had a major breakout with news on NAOV from pre-market at $1.05, jumping up to $1.36 on the day, over 30% on that breakout. We also did mention VYNT's earnings in pre-market at $1.70, jumping up to $1.97 on the day, over 20% on that breakout. And the largest breakout that we had today was ISIG, mentioning their volume in pre-market at $10, jumping up to $14.42 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. So again, I know the market has been very choppy. If you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts and you are watching your technicals, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. To the market cooling off today, as we had an overextension yesterday on speculation on peacemaking deals with Russia and Ukraine. We had Zelensky starting off the day in pre-market mentioning that Russia has been adding new troops to Ukraine, signifying uncertainty on that extension that we had yesterday into a possible peacemaking deal. And now we are looking to see if we can continue. Again, we did drop down below 458. We are looking to see if we can claim 458, continue on past it, break continue highs, but we do need to see if we can hold 458 going into tomorrow. As you guys can see, again, we do have a doji candle to the upside. We do not have a hammer candle, so it does show us that we are more so consolidating or possibly just cooling down to have a retest here at our 447.50 level and then continue on up. Again, retests very much does show strength in the market. So if we do continue on down, there's no surprise as we have been on the 2-week extension. So if we do come back down, we will be looking to see if we can get this 20 moving average to cross back over our 50 and possibly come back down, retest 447.50 and continue on past from here would be a very strong move. Now, as you guys can see on our volume, again, we did mention yesterday that we have been decreasing in volume and we have been overextended to the upside. So sure enough, giving us a cool down today. As you guys can see here on the MACD, we do have a white shaded line coming in, showing us that we could be shifting in momentum. As you guys can see, every time we do have a white shaded line come in, we do have a decrease in momentum when we do continue on down. So we could be on a cool off here as we do have a white shaded line coming in. Again, we still do have our EMA lines above our MACD, so it does show us that we still could continue. We could be on a possible short-term cool down or a possible continuation on down the market, depending on, again, if Russia and Ukraine happens to continue to escalate in a way that we don't want to see. So again, looking to see if we can hold 447.50 if we do continue on down. But if we did hold 458 and we did continue on past it, we would be looking to see if we can get over 468. As we did mention yesterday, our doji candle and our beginning of our continuation on down that we had previously when we were leading into Powell mentioning that we were going to have increases in rate hikes at this point in time. So overall, after a large extension, there is no surprise if we do have a retest. And again, like I said, that retest would be very healthy for the market, especially since we haven't had any major retests for the last couple of weeks. We do want to see if we can retest and continue on up for that healthier move. And again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel every single day, I appreciate one of you guys as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the refine it and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.